Welcome to Tech Hub Academy. Today's lesson is about HTML comments. HTML comments are very important for developers, even though they are not visible on the web page. They help us organize our code and understand it better, especially when working on large projects. By the end of this lesson, you will know what HTML comments are and why they are useful. What are HTML comments? HTML comments are notes written inside the HTML code for developers. Browsers completely ignore comments, meaning they do not appear on the web page. Only developers can see comments by viewing the page's source code. Comments are written using a special syntax. Notice that there is an exclamation point in the start tag, but not in the end tag. Everything written inside the comment symbols is treated as a comment. Comments are very helpful for explaining code, giving instructions, or leaving notes for yourself or other developers. Let's see how comments can be used in HTML. Open Visual Studio Code. Create a new file and name it comments.html. In the past 5 lessons, we have been using comments as reminders in our HTML code. We begin by creating a comment and name it according to what HTML element or attribute that we are going to use below. Then we create the element and add the attribute. If you think the comment is not enough for you to remember what a certain line of code does, you can always add another comment above or below. Finally, save your work. Open your coding folders. Then open your comments file with any app of your choice. In the browser, you can see the element in the page and not the comments. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Create at least 4 elements or more. From the elements you have created, choose one and put your mouse on any part of that element. Then, press the Control key and the question mark key to create a comment syntax around it. By doing this, you will have created a comment surrounding the element. When an element is surrounded by a comment, it is ignored by the browser. This helps you hide your element temporarily, meaning that line of code will not be shown in the browser unless you remove it. Finally, save your work. Go back to the browser and refresh. In the browser, we only see the other headings apart from the first heading. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Removing a comment syntax manually wastes your time, so to remove a comment syntax faster, press the Control key and the question mark key, like as if you are creating another comment, but your mouse must be in that line of code with the comment syntax. If you want to temporarily hide more than one element, highlight the elements, then press the Control key and the question mark key to make a comment syntax around the elements. To remove the comment syntax on many elements, use the same procedure. Finally, save your work. Go back to the browser and refresh. In the browser, we only see the 4th heading because it is not a comment. Importance of HTML comments. Comments serve as reminders for your future self about the purpose of specific code or why a certain approach was taken months later. You can use comments to temporarily hide or disable sections of code without permanently deleting them. Comments act as labels or section dividers, making it much easier to navigate and understand the purpose of different parts of a large HTML document. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. Today, you've learned what HTML comments are and why they are important. Using comments properly will make your HTML code more organized and professional. Always add comments to your code as you learn. It's a good habit to develop early. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe, like, and share to support Tech Hub Academy. Follow us on all our platforms for the latest lessons and updates. The next lesson will be about HTML colors. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.